Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we shall do lesson 7 of first flight, that is Glimpses of India. Its first part is A Baker from Goa, written by Lucio Rodrigues. Now its summary. Bread making in Goa. This is a pen portrait of the traditional Goan village baker who is still remembered by Goans. Bread making started from the Portuguese days. They were the lovers of bread. Bread making was an art which needed perfection. Mixing, molding and baking were the areas of specialization of making bread. The loaves were baked in time-tested furnaces. This profession has been continued by the baker's descendants. The author's childhood days recalled. The author remembers his childhood days when the baker used to be their friend, companion and guide. He used to visit twice a day, once in the morning during his selling hours and then again while returning after selling all his bread. The jingling thud of the bamboo he carried woke them up in the morning and they ran to meet and greet him. They ran for getting the bread bangles, which were a specially made sweet bread. Delivering the loaves. As the baker came, he would call out the lady of the house and wish her good morning. The children would be pushed aside and the loaves would be delivered to the maidservant. The author recalls the aroma of loaves that filled the air. The children would not even brush their teeth and ate bread bangles made of bread with tea. Importance of bread in traditional ceremonies. The various kinds of bread were very important for all occasions. No marriage was complete until and unless the traditional bowl was served. The lady of the house on the occasion of her daughter's engagement would prepare sandwiches and bolinas would be prepared for Christmas and other festivals. The baker's dress. The baker was usually dressed in a kabai, a long frock reaching down to the knees, or a shirt and a trousers which were shorter than full-length ones and longer than half pants. Even today, if anyone dares to go out in the streets wearing half pants, he is referred to as a pedder. Bread making, a profitable profession. The baker usually collected his bills at the end of the month. All the accounts were written on a wall in the premises with a pencil. It was a profitable profession during those days because Portuguese were lovers of fresh baked loaves. The baker, his family members and his servants looked prosperous and happy.